and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So, we're back with our social studies class. And as you remember, in the last class, we had completed the latitude part. Okay, this is your chapter 2, the globe, latitudes and longitudes. So today we are going to start with the next topic, that is your longitudes. Okay children, now let us start. This is the picture of it and this is your longitudes. Okay, so I'll start reading. You can also take out page number 180. Longitudes or meridians are a set of imaginary lines running from the North Pole to the South Pole. This is your North Pole. There is no place over here, so I am writing here, and this is your South Pole. This is West, this is East. Okay? Now, you notice something that before that in latitudes, हमारी definition थोड़ी same थी, है ना? The only difference was the imaginary lines were running, but it was from west to east. इसलिए वो circular form में थी, कुछ इस तरह. But these lines are from north to south, so they are like this, north to south. So this is the difference. Okay, this is longitude. They are used as point of reference for locating places in east and west. East and west में places locate करने के लिए longitudes का use होता है. The meridians passing through Greenwich, very important, please underline it. Now Greenwich is what? It is a place few kilometers east of London in the UK. So UK में एक place है, that is Greenwich. So the meridian passing through the Greenwich is known as the 0-degree meridian, also known as prime meridian. What is it? Once again I'll repeat. जो meridian Greenwich से pass होती. Greenwich is a place in UK that is known as the 0-degree meridian, also the prime meridian. Actually, the longitude of a place is the angular distance of that place lying east or west of the prime meridian. Now look at this picture once again. What do you see over here? There is 0. See? This point. Over here it is 0. So this is what? This is our prime meridian. Also I can say the Greenwich, that place. Okay, this is the prime meridian. Now what they have said, the longitude is the angular distance of that place lying east or west of the prime meridian. East या west में जो भी places हैं और उनके बीच में जो distance है, ये हमारा prime meridian, ये हमारी east है. So इन दोनों के बीच में जो distance है, उसे हम बोलते हैं longitude. That is our longitude. It can be east, the longitude, or the west. See, okay, in the west side, if I compare with the prime meridian, so the distance, that is the angular distance, is known as what? The longitude. Is it clear? The longitude is the angular distance that place lying east or west of the prime meridian. Prime meridian के east में हो या prime meridian के west में हो. Now, the prime meridian divides the globe into eastern and western. As you can see, this is the red line over here. See this line? Okay, and it is dividing both into western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. For example, if a person is in the eastern hemisphere, see over here there is a person and he or she is in the eastern hemisphere. Then his or her longitude is measured in degrees east. Now you understood. See, suppose the person is standing in the east direction. So naturally we will value their distance on the basis of eastern degrees. क्योंकि वो east में है. अगर वो west में होगा तो western degree. You can see 10 degree west. So 10 degree west when you are in the west. Now see for example this person, he is standing in the east. तो उसका क्या होगा 50 degree east. उसका distance हम कैसे measure करेंगे 50 degree east. Now talking about this person, what will be the distance 30 degree west because he or she is standing in the west direction. Clear? There are 180 meridians to the east and 180 to the west. So दोनों में, that is the west as well as the east, both have 180 degrees, 180 meridians. Therefore in total there are 360 meridians or longitudes. 180 over here, 180 over here. So our total is 360. So there are total 360 meridians or longitudes. At the equator, the distance between two meridians is the greatest, that is about 111 kilometer. सबसे ज़्यादा difference है, that is 111 kilometer. The distance between the meridians decreases as one travels towards the poles and vice versa. Now see, अगर मैं यहाँ खड़ी हूँ, see that is me. Okay, now I am over here, so the distance is this much. This is the distance. Now I started moving over here. Can you see that the distance is reducing? आपको दिख रहा है ना? पहले इतना ज़्यादा डिफरेंस था. अब जैसे जैसे मैं पोल साइड जा रही हूँ, मैं नॉर्थ पोल साइड जा रही हूँ, तो डिस्टेंस बहुत कम होता जा रहा है. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. अब यहाँ पे देखो इतना सा डिफरेंस है. सो दिस इज व्हाट दे हैव सेड. एट द इक्वेटर, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द मेरिडियंस decreases as one travels towards the poles. जब हम poles के साइड जाते हैं, so what happens? The distance decreases. Same way, if I talk about the south pole also, see if I start going over here, and see. Just look at the distance, it is so less, right? So this is what they have said. All the meridians meet at the poles. Now, this is wonderful to know. Eratosthenes was the Greek geographer who invented the system of longitudes and latitudes to locate places on the earth. He was the first person to calculate the circumference of the earth. He also coined the term geography. So he is a very important person, that is Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes. Who was he? He was a Greek geographer. This is only for your information. Now locating places on the globe. Look at the globe given on page 116. You can see over here also, I have shown the picture. The latitudes and longitudes are drawn up. You can see there are longitudes, there are latitudes. Both are there. Okay. They intersect each other and form a network on the surface of the globe. अब देखो मैंने ये लाइन भी ड्रॉ की, तो intersect तो की है, right? So in the same way they intersect. Now what is it? This network is known as grid. जो इनका intersect करने का point है, that is known as what? Earth's grid. We can find the location of any place on the globe with the help of the grid. हम इस grid के help से कोई भी place की location find out कर सकते हैं. To locate the exact position of any place, we should know its position in terms of latitudes and longitude. Now you will ask, ma'am, how will we find it out? So how we have to do? We have to know the location on the basis of both latitude and longitude. For example, New Delhi is in 28.38 degree north. Now see, that means 20 to 30 के बीच में, if I say tentative over here, Okay? And longitudes में 77.12 degree east. So 77.12 degree east over here. So now what we can say that, so the point of intersection of it is the location of New Delhi. Okay? So you can see here I have drawn the latitude and the longitude and the intersecting points, that is our New Delhi. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, so I think we'll stop over here, and your homework is please read this part that we have discussed, that is from page number 118 till 119, only first para till here. Is that clear? And your homework is also to do the 2 MCQs given on page number 180. Okay children, so I hope the topic is clear to all of you, and we'll meet in the next class. Till that, God bless you all. Goodbye.